Hello everyone, my name is Praise Ekeng. On today's episode of My Culture, My Heritage, I will show you how the wrapper is tied when a groom is getting ready to marry, of course. I have two models today with me, and they're going to show you how the whole wrapper from the shirt and the tie and everything is being put up. Again, thank you once again for visiting our YouTube channel, and please remember to so today we're going to show you how the groom is dressed in the Efik culture. Typically, and make sure the wrapper is equal on the edges, as you can see. And also make sure that you spread your legs a little bit wide open. This will enable a free work movement. Now, just note one thing. You tie the wrapper to your left hand. The wrapper is tied to your left hand. Make sure it is knotted twice, just for easy accessibility. As you can see, this is the groom and a typical Efik man. Again, make sure the edges are together. Beautiful. Second step will be the shirt. A typical Efik man adorns himself with the richest of all things. As you can see, this is a white shirt. We call it mbemdier. Nicely ironed, starched, and you can see, so beautiful. Before the British came with the tie, a typical Efik man already know how to dress. As you can see, the next on the dressing is what we call the waistcoat. Alright? It is beautifully handcrafted, designed, and of course it's custom made. And after that is done, we have what we call a pom-pom. Again, before the Europeans came with the tie, an Efik royalty had already made a tie for himself. In this model, you'll see how it is done. And you will agree with me that this is royalty. Typical, wonderful, nicely knotted tie. In the Efik culture, again, it is called a pom-pom. Watch how it is done. Beautiful, beautiful. Gorgeously done. And of course, we have what we call Ipakodukwa. This is also custom made, beautifully designed, and is handcrafted. And we will complete it with a beautiful, beautiful cup. Come back on our next episode and see how a female is adorned with the traditional attire. Thank you for watching, and please make sure you subscribe.